Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the surface and positioning the sticker precisely. Clean with isopropyl alcohol and let it fully evaporate. This ensures adhesion. Once done, peel the backing a little and create a hinge with a piece of tape so you can place the first edge accurately. Make sure to view from multiple angles to confirm alignment. Lightly lay down the hinged edge first to avoid misplacement, because repositioning after full contact can trap dust or ruin the adhesive. You now focus on smoothing and beginning the UV cure. Hold the free edge and slowly press the sticker toward the hinge with a soft squeegee. Work center out in overlapping strokes to push air and moisture out. If small bubbles remain, lift gently and re-squeegee. Avoid stretching. After smooth application, activate the UV cure with the manufacturer's lamp. Move evenly, keep a consistent distance, and follow the specified time. This locks the adhesive and improves durability, so do not rush the curing step. You finish by trimming and securing edges for a clean look. Use a fresh, sharp blade held flat at a low angle to slice away excess without lifting the sticker. Make sure all edges are firmly pressed. Apply gentle heat or extra UV exposure if the material allows, because warmth improves adhesion. If problems occur, here's one key fix. For tiny trapped bubbles, pierce the bubble center with a fine pin, press the area flat, then re-squeegee and re-cure. This releases air without damaging the design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.